Hello guys. Welcome to the quiz and quest. Can you guess the animal by emoji? Let's start it. Guess the animal. It's bear. Can you guess this animal? Good, it's tiger. Guess the animal. It's goldfish. Good job. Can you guess this one? Awesome, it's camel. Guess this animal. You are genius, it's eagle. Can you guess this animal? Good, it's blue whale. Can you guess this one? Good, it's panda. Guess the animal. It's bat. Can you guess this animal? It's polar bear. Good job. Guess the 10th animal. Awesome, it's deer. Can you guess the next one? You are intelligent, it's seahorse. Guess the animal. It's hard, but I believe in you. Excellent, it's elephant. Can you guess this animal? It's peacock. Good job. Can you guess the next one? Superb, it's wolf. Guess the last animal. Wow, it's catfish. If you like this video, please subscribe and watch next quiz videos.